This is a very easy Nigerian sausage rolls that anyone can make. It is beginners friendly and you can whip it up or make it within 5 minutes, even as a beginner. Now let's get started. Pick any sausage brand of choice. Now these sausages come with this tiny film around the sausage meat. I'm just going to take them out and place them in my bowl. Spice your sausages with any spice of choice. I use soya spice and a little bit of pepper for it. So I'm going to add in egg. What egg does is that it adds a little bit of moisture to your sausages, making it easy for you to work with. I'm just going to get my piping bag now and add my sausage meat or put my sausage meat into my piping bag. It will make it easy for me to apply my sausage meat to my dough later on. So stick around. It's easy, is so easy for beginners to make. So I'm going to get my scissors. I'll just cut the tip of my piping bag and set my sausage meat that is in my piping bag aside. Mix a portion of evaporated milk with 1 egg set aside. Add 500 grams of flour into a bowl. Go on now to add in half a tablespoon of baking powder depending on the strength of your baking powder. I didn't add salt in this recipe because my sausage meat has salt in it and even my butter had a little bit of salt in it. So I just felt that was enough. So I didn't add salt. But if you are going to add salt, half a teaspoon of salt is fine. Go on to adding your liquid into your dough and get your dough together. Once you have gotten your dough together, keep in your piping bag. You can keep in the fridge for between 30 minutes to 1 hour, even 2 hours is fine, or in the freezer for 20 minutes if you know you do not have time. I'm going to take my dough out of the fridge and yes, I'm going to leave the other part in the fridge. That is what I do. I work with my dough in portions. Flour your surface with a little bit of flour and go on now to roll your sausage, your dough rather till flat. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen, do like and share. Tell me what you love about this recipe. Do you like this recipe? Happy new month to you. I'm so glad we are in the month of February already. The year is running. Like it just felt it was a few days ago I said Happy New Year, and now we're in February. Thank you for your love, your subscription, your shares, and do well to like this video, do comment. I would like to know where you are watching from. Now trim out your sausage, your dough after rolling till thin. The thickness or the thinness is totally up to you. I love my sausage being a bit thick, so I'm going to just trim out, apply my sausage meat and roll a few times. Brush the end with egg mix. This will help seal the end and cut out your sausage rolls. If you don't want your sausages to be this thick, you can roll a bit more so that you can have a thinner dough crust and roll a few times. Yes, so I'm just going to cut out my sausages like so. It's so easy. After which we're going to place in my tray. Look at how gorgeous they are looking. We are brushing with our egg mix. Just mix 1 egg and that is it. Use your fork to create a bit of design. We are baking at 180 degrees Celsius for between 25 to 30 minutes, and this is the yumminess we're going to get at the end of the day. You can see how thick and gorgeous they are. Do you like your sausage rolls thick or do you like it thin? Comment in the comment section. At the end of the day, this is what we have. To follow Debbie's Kitchen for more. God bless you.